Are you tired of struggling to make money in Nigeria? Maybe you have applied for jobs, but nothing is working. Or you want to make money online, but you don't know where to start from. Well, today I am going to show you 5 high income skills that can make you financially free. The best part, you do not need a degree. You do not need connection, and you can start learning these skills for free. So I want you to grab a seat, grab a pen, grab a paper, because this video might just change your life. Okay? Let's go. Number one on the list is tech and digital skills. Yes, it could be software development, cybersecurity, data science. Yes, yes, yes. The first on this list is tech and digital skills. If you ever heard of people making millions from coding, tech jobs, or working remotely for foreign companies, this is exactly what I am talking about. And it is not a fable. It is completely true. Trust me. The tech industry is on another level. Okay. Big companies in Nigeria and even abroad are looking for people who can build websites, who can make mobile apps, who can protect them from hackers. And guess what? You don't need to go to university to learn this, and they are ready to pay very good amount of money to get this service. Now, how do you get started? You want to learn online for free. Okay. There are websites like Free Codecamp, there's Coursera, there's Udemy, and then YouTube. They have courses for beginners. Start with the basic programming languages. It could be Python, it could be JavaScript. Anyone that you feel like you want to start with, just start with them. And these platforms offer free courses. Yeah. Then you can also decide to join tech communities like Zuri, there's Andela, there's ALX Africa. You can join these communities to get mentorship, and to connect with the community, the tech community, basically, meaning being that you are just starting out. So you need to socialize yourself with people who have been in the industry for the longest time, way before you. And of course, just basically being in the community has a lot of advantages. So you can check out these communities online and join them. You can also get mentorship from people already in the community. How do you make money? You can decide to work as a freelancer, or you just upload your skill on Upwork, Fiverr, or even LinkedIn. Yep, LinkedIn. So you can get remote jobs from international companies, from local companies. You can get jobs from anywhere. Or you can decide to start your own tech business. Yes, you can build websites or build an app for small businesses, or something that just solves a problem for people. I know people who decided they want to start building websites or build an app basically just to solve a problem they notice around their locality. You can do that. But I promise you, you would make a lot of money if you are in the tech industry. So let me ask you, I want to know in the comment section, have you always wanted to go into the tech industry, or would you love to go into the tech industry, or what um, category in the tech industry would you like to go into? Yeah, let me know in the comments below. I just might be able to help you with a few more information as regards to the tech skills. Number two is digital marketing, SEO, social media ads, content creation. This is hot cake. Huh? Now let me ask you. Have you noticed that businesses are going online? Like most businesses are just online. Some people say they don't even have a shop, but you'd see them making millions of money online. They are on Facebook, they are on TikTok, they are on Instagram, they are everywhere. Have you noticed? Now that's because digital marketing is the future. And guess what? Businesses are willing to pay big money to people who can help them get more customers online. Now that is where you come in. How do you get started? You want to learn Google digital skills for Africa. Yeah. And it's free. Like I mentioned, there are places you can get. There's Coursera, there's Udemy, there is also LinkedIn course. There are some free LinkedIn courses on digital marketing. I remember that I took one a while back and it was free. Yes. And then you want to master skills like SEO, Facebook and Instagram ads, email marketing, and content creation. You can even check on YouTube for videos as regards to digital marketing. Just basically learn the skill and you are good to go. Remember, the skills we're talking about are skills you do not need degrees for, right? So if you are yet to go into the university, or you are thinking of, okay, what can I do on the side while I am trying to get a job that is not forthcoming, you can learn any of the skills. The first, like I mentioned, is going into the tech industry. They are free courses you can check out. The second we're talking about now is digital marketing. You can check out these places for free or affordable courses on this topic. Now, how do you make money? You can decide to offer marketing services to small businesses. Businesses love it when customers buy from them. But when you can offer them more customers, when you can guarantee them more sales, they'll pay you, because it's from that sales that they'll be able to afford to pay you. Yes. So if they don't make sales, it will be very difficult. So it's important that you learn this skill so that when you are offering your service, you actually, would give a, something that is worth the money that you are charging. Okay. You can get clients on freelancing platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. You notice I'll be mentioning Fiverr and Upwork a lot because they are very great platforms for freelancers. And then you can also decide to start your own e-commerce business or affiliate marketing. And another option is then to teach. You'd notice that so many people are now tutors on Instagram and Facebook. They say they are sales tutors. You want to learn how to make sales, join this class. You want to learn how to do Facebook ads, join this class. That's because they have learned the course themselves. So when you have the skill, you can leverage on any method of making money, either by teaching, either by helping customers get clients, either by freelancing, any method at all. So let me ask you, would you like to make money helping businesses grow online? I want to know your thoughts in the comment section. The third skill that you need to think about or consider is UI or UX design and graphic design. Yes. Now, if you are someone who loves creativity, you love color, you love visuals, then UI/UX design and graphics design might be perfect for you. Every business needs good designs for their branding, for their websites, for their apps, and designers make a lot of money by offering the service. So how do you go about this? You want to first learn the skill. Yeah. Learn UI or UX using Figma. It's free. You can learn for free. Yes. Then you learn graphic design with Adobe. There is Canva. There is Photoshop. There is Illustrator. These applications are free. Take free courses on YouTube and Coursera and enhance your skill. Regardless of the fact that you love creativity, you need to also be a professional to be able to make money. And then how do you make money? You want to offer design services to businesses and brands. Yep. You can also work on Fiverr, Upwork, even LinkedIn or Behance. Yeah. So you can also decide to sell logo design, social media templates, and website mockups. Guys, these things sound so easy. The way I'm calling them websites, logos, it might sound so easy, but if you know how much people charge for these items or for these services, you'll be shocked, right? So I want to find out from you now. Let me know in the comments. Have you ever tried designing anything before? Let me know. If yes, please let me know what you designed. And if no, let me also know what you designed. Let's share our thoughts in the comment section. What skill you'd want to learn to make money without having to go to the university is Forex, crypto, and stock market trading. Now let's talk about making money with Forex, crypto, and stock trading. Yep. You probably heard about people making crazy money trading online. Yes, you can make money too, but only if you learn it the right way. Trading is not gambling. It requires skill, patience, and strategy. Now, this is not child's play, okay? So for you to get started, you want to learn trading. Like, you want to learn it. It's not that you just go and meet somebody and tell you, okay, just do a crash course for me. No, you have to learn from trading courses, right? You can go to Baby Bips or Investopedia. I'll put all of the websites or the platforms I'm mentioning in my description box below. Please go there and click on the link that you feel, you want to check out. Okay. Now, you also want to follow experienced traders or trade updates on YouTube and Twitter. And then you also want to go ahead to practice with demo accounts before using real money. Yes, because of the fact that you can make money, you can lose a lot of money with these skills, or you can also make a huge load of money. Okay. Now, how to make money? You just basically trade Forex, crypto, or stocks once you have gained experience. You see how I am emphasizing on training, experience. This skill is not for babies. Okay, it's like the real deal. If you're not careful, you would lose a lot of money. And I've seen people who have lost a lot of money and it has affected their health one way or the other. So if you are not strong enough, if you don't get chest to lose money, please leave this skill. Okay? But I promise you, if you learn it to like the professional level, you gain the experience, you'll be making a lot of money when you trade. Or you can decide to become a tutor. Yeah, you teach trading or you sell trading signals. Yep, that's another way you can make money. Or you can decide to manage accounts for others. That is if you are good at it. If you're not good at it, please just leave it. But if you're good at it, go ahead, manage accounts for others and make that money. So have you ever traded before? Have you done any form of trading before? Comment yes if you have and no if you have not. Our last skill is high ticket sales and freelance consulting. Okay? Let me give you a secret. You do not need to learn any hard skill to make big money, like hard skill. That's why I say you do not need to go to the university. All you need to do is learn how to sell. If you can convince people to buy a product or service, you can earn big commissions without creating anything yourself. That is what the skill is about. If you are a very good marketer, you know how to sell things, then trust me, this skill is perfect for you to make money. Now, how do you get started? You can read books like Sell Like Crazy or The Psychology of Selling, or you can watch YouTube videos on high ticket sales and closing deals. Or you can then decide to join a business or network marketing company to practice sales. That's how you get started. This one, you really do not necessarily have to go take serious courses for them, but you just have to fine tune your selling skills. That is why I mentioned these books, or you can watch videos on YouTube, or you can join networking groups or companies. Yeah. And then how do you make money? Basically sell products to companies and earn commission. You can become a business consultant or coach. Yeah. Or you can start your own online course or training. You are going to make money. I promise you. You are going to make money with this skill. So let me know. I know some people will be like selling a skill. Do you think selling is a good skill? Even if it's a skill, do you think even if you feel it's not a skill, do you think it's a good skill? Type yes or no in the comments. Let me know what you think. All right, guys, we just talked about 5 high income skills that can change your life. But the real question is, which one will you learn first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more details on any of these skills, let me know. I might just make a full tutorial on it. Yeah. Before you go, like this video so people can see it, share to your friends, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and turn on your notification bell so you do not miss out on my next money making tip. So I'll see you in my next video, guys. Keep hustling, keep grinding, and keep growing. Thank you for watching. Bye.